What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best smartphone gimbals that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is a cutting-edge smartphone gimbal that revolutionizes the way we capture stable and professional quality video footage with our smartphones. This gimbal utilizes a 3-axis motor system to provide users with incredibly steady shots, eliminating the unwanted shakes and jitters commonly associated with handheld smartphone filming. Compatible with both Android phones and iPhones, the Osmo Mobile 6 offers a versatile solution for a wide range of users. However, iPhone users are treated to some exclusive features that enhance their experience. One standout feature is the built-in extension rod, extending up to 8.46 inches, which not only increases your reach but also enables capturing unique and dynamic angles. An innovative addition to the Osmo Mobile 6 is the digital readout display, allowing users to instantly identify the operating mode, a convenience not present in its predecessor, the Osmo Mobile 5. Moreover, DJI has replaced the zoom slider with a combined zoom and focus wheel, greatly enhancing user control and ease of use, though it may require a delicate touch due to its sensitivity. Ergonomically designed with an anti-slip grip, the Osmo Mobile 6 is comfortable to hold and resistant to stains, ensuring a secure and enjoyable filming experience. Its sleek and compact design allows it to be easily folded up and taken on the go, making it a versatile companion for videographers and content creators, despite its slightly higher price point. In summary, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is a top-notch smartphone gimbal that seamlessly combines exceptional hardware with user-friendly software, promising steady and video footage for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The DJI Hohem 4 is a cutting-edge foldable smartphone gimbal that harnesses the power of a 3-axis motor system to provide users with unparalleled stability when capturing video footage with their smartphones. What sets the Hohem 4 apart is its ingenious magnetic design, featuring a magnetic phone clamp and a magnetic ring holder that effortlessly attaches to your smartphone, allowing you to start recording without the hassle of extensive setup, balancing, or adjustments. This design innovation aims to simplify the user experience and make the DJI Hohem 4 the most user-friendly phone gimbal available. This gimbal is compatible with both Android phones and iPhones, offering versatility for a wide range of users. While it bears a resemblance to its predecessor, the Osmo Mobile 3, with some minor differences in color and button placements, the two models are otherwise remarkably similar. Despite its compact form, the DJI Hohem 4 boasts a robust weight capacity of up to 720 grams, making it capable of accommodating heavier phones and lenses. When folded, it measures 6.42 by 3.92 by 1.83 inches, ensuring portability and ease of transport. While the DJI Hohem 4 inherits the excellence of the Osmo Mobile 3, it comes at a relatively higher price point due to its magnetic attachment system. This feature caters to serious videographers, vloggers, and influencers who rely on gimbals for their daily content creation needs. In summary, the DJI Hohem 4 is an outstanding gimbal that combines cutting-edge stability with a magnetic simplicity that enhances smartphone videography. It's an ideal choice for those seeking professional-level results and convenience in their video recording endeavors. The Insta360 Flow is a cutting-edge smartphone gimbal that incorporates advanced AI tracking technology to deliver stabilized and captivating footage. Its compact and foldable design allows it to easily fit into a jacket pocket, making it a highly portable option for content creators on the move. The Flow features a magnetic mount that securely holds smartphones and offers a range of intuitive buttons and indicators for seamless control. It boasts intelligent shooting modes that assist with composition and creativity, enhancing the overall user experience. Compatible with both Android phones and iPhones, the Flow showcases advanced AI tracking capabilities that can accurately lock onto faces and objects, ensuring that your subjects stay in focus even during dynamic shots. Its built-in battery can last up to an impressive 10 hours, providing extended shooting sessions without constant recharging. The accompanying Insta360 app offers a wide array of editing tools and features like Shot Lab for 360-degree footage, allowing users to fine-tune their content with ease. While the Insta360 Flow competes directly with the DJI Hohem 6, it distinguishes itself with superior subject tracking and a more user-friendly app experience. However, some reviews have pointed out minor design flaws and occasional app unreliability. In summary, the Insta360 Flow is an excellent choice for content creators, travelers, and anyone seeking a highly portable and user-friendly smartphone gimbal. Its AI tracking technology, combined with the convenience of its design, makes it a compelling option for capturing ultra-smooth imagery on the go. The Zhiyun Smooth 5 is a top-tier 3-axis smartphone gimbal engineered to meet the demands of professional mobile content creators. It stands out with its robust and heavy-duty construction, making it a reliable tool for capturing high-quality footage. Compatible with both Android phones and iPhones, it's also known for its ability to accommodate larger phones, ensuring versatility for a wide range of users. One of its standout features is the expanded set of physical buttons, which includes a joystick and a convenient light-up display. This display not only provides information about the current mode but also allows for seamless mode switching without the need to open the Zhiyun app. This user-friendly interface enhances the shooting experience. The Smooth 5 excels in stabilization, delivering rock-solid video footage and fluid camera movements, setting a high bar for gimbal performance. Additionally, it offers a comprehensive range of features, including full 360-degree rotation, setting it apart from some of its competitors. However, the Zhiyun app can sometimes be inconsistent, potentially affecting the user experience. Furthermore, the Smooth 5 is slightly bulkier compared to its predecessor, the Smooth 4, which may impact its portability. The Smooth 5 is positioned as a premium gimbal designed for professionals who frequently engage in planned recording sessions. While it's a bit pricier than its predecessor, it offers advanced features and exceptional stability, making it an attractive choice for those seeking top-notch smartphone gimbal performance. Overall, the Zhiyun Smooth 5 is a solid investment for serious mobile content creators. The Hohem iSteady XE is a remarkable smartphone gimbal engineered to provide exceptional stability for video footage through its 3-axis design. What sets it apart is its distinction as the lightest gimbal available, weighing in at under 0.6 pounds, making it an incredibly portable choice for videographers on the go. Compatible with both Android phones and iPhones, the iSteady XE features a magnetic mount that securely holds the smartphone in place, ensuring easy setup and stability. Its user-friendly interface caters to both beginners and experienced users, making it an accessible tool for content creators of all levels. Additionally, the Hohem Pro app offers valuable tutorials and guides to maximize the gimbal's potential, making it particularly appealing to novice videographers. The iSteady XE isn't just lightweight, it's also packed with creative features. It boasts advanced AI tracking, capable of accurately locking onto both faces and objects, enhancing the precision of your shots. With a built-in battery that can last up to an impressive 10 hours, you can count on extended shooting sessions without constant recharging. In summary, the Hohem iSteady XE stands out as a lightweight and user-friendly smartphone gimbal that excels in providing stable footage. Whether you're a novice or an experienced videographer, this gimbal is a valuable tool for unleashing your creativity and capturing professional quality videos. Its exceptional portability and reliability make it a great choice for those in search of a dependable gimbal for their smartphone.